dolls, this is the state of my coffee bar. A hot mess, just like a mess down to the floor. Like everything is just so disorganized and just messy. And you know, we're in a new year, we're almost in the third year of the month, which is my birthday month, March, and I decided, you know, I'm gonna do a little spring makeover because it's time. First of all, before we do this, my nails are terrible, like they're all broken. I'm getting them fixed this week, but I decided this coffee bar is getting on my nerves and it's annoying me just the way it looks right now because there's just a lot going on. So we're going to do a little bit of spring cleaning and give my coffee bar a spring makeover. It's just got a lot of mess, just junk, can barely see where things are. Like down in the corner I've still got like my Christmas cups, and we just need to clean it out and just give it a clean new look. So I guess grab your coffee. Where's my coffee cup? I don't even have it with me. Like, here's a mess. Grab your coffee, grab your tea, and let's do this spring cleaning coffee bar makeover. Let's give it a new fresh 2020 look. Let's go, dolls.
Could be a dream, and I think down plans would come true, and I think down my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, baby, we'd be so fine. Oh, life ain't nothing down. If I could take you up and boom, 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 tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Oh, life could be a dream, and nothing down. Plans would come true. My whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hoping we'll meet again. Oh, life could be a dream. Shaboom, and I think down plans would come true. And I think down my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
So where are we gonna actually start? I just realized down here we still have, so I still have my Christmas candle. I still have this Christmas candle that I've not finished using from Bath and Body Works. It's called Bubbly and Rose, and I just, you know, I'm gonna burn it. I don't care if we're not in Christmas anymore. It's a candle that I feel that you can use any other time of the year, so I'm still going to use it even though it has this Christmas ornament on it. But I should be putting a fresh candle on here, but I'm going to just use it. Or you know what, let me just put it away. I realized as well that I have Christmas cups as well, which is those ones down there. We need to throw those away, not throw those away, but put them up till next year. Let me get them so you can see them. I still use these in the spring because they don't have any design on them, like on the sides, and they're very, very pretty and springish, so I'm still going to use this because they come with these sleeves, and these just are Christmas sleeves, so I'm not going to use the sleeves, I'm just going to use these, and I think they're still going to be perfect and relevant, so I'm going to leave these there because why waste it. But yeah, let's start cleaning and making here look a little bit more spring and just a little bit more cleaner because it was busy. Look, I have coffee on the floor down there, I've got napkins, I've got all sorts of stuff that, you know, everywhere just needs to be clean. It's just a mess. Like, look at all of this going on. So yeah, just get a look of how it's gonna look, like how it looked like before. And I'm gonna, you know, cue the cozy music on so you can speed clean with me, with some, you know, maybe this video also will inspire you to clean as well. So I'm gonna put some cozy music on and we're gonna clean this together because it's just a hot mess. Let's go. But before I start cleaning, this is a piece that I wanted to show you. This has been here, I got this from Hobby Lobby, and this is actually for napkins, and I just thought it's really cute. And I just get the napkins from Dollar Tree. My nails are not done, no, but anyway. Yeah, so I just thought this fits. It's like a napkin holder, and I thought it fits my floral look, so this is going to stay here. I would have gotten gold, but you know, it's like a nice light pink, and I just think it goes well with the roses in the background. It's just perfect. So this is going to stay. This is going to stay because I'm going to fill these with pink starbursts. I actually wanted to fill this with pink gummy bears, but it wasn't going to arrive in time, so I'm going to be filling this with pink starburst. I'm still looking for a container to put my coffee inside that is pink or maybe gold. If you know, let me know. If you have a good one, link it down below from Amazon. I've been searching, I can't find any that fits my aesthetic. So if you know a good container for this to put my coffee in, that is as big as this or actually smaller, let me know in the comment section down below. But yeah, I think we should get started because there is a lot to clean up. Down here is a mess, it's very tragic, and the table is very tragic as well, so we need to start, you know, less chat and more trying to clean. But yeah, no, seriously, if you do find something, let me know, because I don't want to have this big Folgers thing right here. I want to put it in a nice container. You know what, I can put it inside there for now. Fortunately, it does not have a lid to it, or it does have a lid and I can't find where I put the lid. I think that's more of the scenario, because this did come with a lid, but this would have been perfect to put my coffee in. It does actually have coffee in it and some Christmas ornaments, but it does have a K-cup. I don't use my K-cup anymore. Like, my Keurig is nowhere to be found. Oh, it's in the corner over there, but I don't really use my Keurig. I use my trusty Smeg. I love my Smeg. As you can see, it's got so much going, like so much use out of it. Very expensive, but it's very worth it. It makes the best coffee ever. Like, the Keurig doesn't come close. It's not the same. That's not coffee. Keurig is not coffee. This is coffee. But anyway, let's get started. Enough chat, because we really need to make here really clean. Let's get started. Cleaned off the table and I like how clean it is. So now I'm going to start putting all the stuff down. Everything just looks so clean, and I did clean this side as well. I just didn't do it on camera, so everywhere is perfectly clean and shiny and ready to display all the new stuff on here, and give here just a different look and a clean, fresh vibe. So I'm trying to decide between these books, which one's going to go down on here. Are we going to do Paris in Bloom, because there's a lot more flowers in Paris in Bloom, or are we going to do London in Bloom? I can't make up my mind which one. I think London, because, you know, LB London. I think London in Bloom is going to look perfect. Oh my god, I can see it. So we're just going to set this down here, and it's just going to be like this, but things are going to sit on top of it. I don't know. Yeah, I think we're going to do it like that, because it is a coffee table, it's a coffee bar, so we're just going to put it like that. But I still want the words to show. I'll see, but let's see how this goes. Let's just put this together. I'm just like wondering, does it go like kind of on its own? It looks really good, but because I'm going to put stuff on it, I don't know how this is going to look like. Like, on its own it looks amazing, but with stuff on it you're not going to see. It's going to be pointless, but it does look good. London in Bloom, and then above you've got the coffee. I love it. Okay, let's keep going. organize the bottom. Not much to do, but I'm gonna see what I can do with the bottom to match the top. Basically it's just organizing my Keurig, my coffee warmer and my mini fridge, and I have another pink coffee machine as well, and just organizing it and keeping them neat at the bottom there. That's just about it. So I'm just going to put that together, and then we should be done. Underneath the table, and now we're done on top. So we are done. It was that quick, it was that easy, and everywhere looks so like new and different, and just it gives it such a clean feeling, and it doesn't look like cluttered as it did earlier this year. Well, no, last year, and well, no, earlier this year, because I just, you know, you saw how it was at the beginning of this video. So it's done. Now I just need to make some coffee and you know enjoy this new coffee bar. Like, I just love it. It's so gorgeous, and it's just looking clean and pretty, and I'm just more into minimalistic stuff lately, and basically just clean spaces, and you can just see how wider the bar looks like, the table looks like. It just looks so much clean, less clutter, and it gets straight to the point. I just love it. So I'm so glad I could do this with you, this quick clean with me video, and just like reorganizing stuff for spring. I love it. It just looks gorgeous. So time for coffee. Thank you so much for watching, dolls. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe down below. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Go and drink some coffee and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching, dolls. Bye. Bye, dolls.
Life could be a dream, and I think I'm plans would come true. And I think I'm my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hoping we meet again. Oh, life. And I think I'm la-lang, boom, ba-do, 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 ba-do. Oh, and I think I'm la-lang, boom, ba-do, 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 ba-do. Oh, life. And I think I'm if I could take you up in boom, boom, go, shaboom, boom. Tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hoping we meet again. Oh, life could be a dream. Shaboom, and I think I'm plans would come true. And I think I'm my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to,